Hello, I am a Gulliver. I am a very cute and very tiny man. Good morning, I am a Gulliver and I am very cute. Hello, I am a Gulliver. I am very cute. Thank you. Hi, I am Gulliver. My hair color is golden. Hi, I am a Gulliver. I am a very tiny man. Hello friends, I am a Gulliver. My hair color is yellow. Hello
The color of my hair is yellow.
my name is Gulliver. I am a very tiny bird. Hello, I am a Gulliver. I am very bird. Thank you.
Show me your Gulliver.
Hello, I am Gulliver. I am very tiny bird. Hello, I am
And-
Gulliver.